Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the backhoe loader. So let us really discuss in upcoming slides. So before going into the topic, let us recap the things that you have seen in the previous session. So in previous session, we had detailed discussed about the front end loader. So front end loader, we normally know that it has been used for carrying the loosened materials from one place to another by reducing the human effort. Okay, so before going to today's topic, let us see the pain points in the form of an empathy. So we know that the front end loaders can lift the load or the loosened materials, but it is not possible for digging with the help of this particular front end loader, because the with the help of this front end loader we can dig only to a certain amount, not up to the level which I have showcased in this picture. We cannot use the front end loader to dig like this kind of holes. So manual digging, it takes more time when we compare to the thing that we are using with special machines. And also it is not efficient one, it takes more time, and the process of removing the loosened materials also takes more time. So these are the pain points. So collectively, we can say that workers takes too much time and physical effort for digging the soil, lift and move the that particular loosened materials to other places. So this also makes the work progress slow and causes high fatigue and safety risks. So we need some we need some machine or a thing that works faster to dig and also to take the loosened materials from one place to another without the human effort. Yes, for overcoming this pain point, this backhoe loader can be used. Where in this machine we can do multi-purposes, like we can carry the loosened materials from one place to another, and also you can dig the hole according to our requirement. So this backhoe loader, it is a multi-purpose construction machine. So normally it consists of three subunits. Like first is the tractor unit, in which the driver cabin has been, the engine that has been placed, and then a front loader bucket where the bucket is held up with the help of a boom, where the loosened materials has been carried. And last is the rear mounted backhoe, where with the help of this backhoe we can dig the holes as per our requirements. So this particular vehicle mainly used for digging, trenching, loading, lifting, and the material handling. And also it is with the help of a single machine we can use for many purposes in compact size. It has been used widely in road constructions or building constructions, or to repair the roads or maintenance work. Even sometimes in agriculture also it has been used for its versatility. So these are the components that has been present in this vehicle. So engine, chassis frame, the transmission system, operator cabin with ROPS, stabilizer outriggers. It is a special part which is present only in this vehicle. So this stabilizer, like, it is provided both sides of the vehicle in order to give more stability to the vehicle. Give And also it can be used in the various platforms, like in slippery roads, etc. And control valves and levers, it is an additional it is present in the driver cabin for operating the bucket, booms, and the stick, etc. And the front loader assembly, which includes the bucket assembly with the boom and a backhoe, where it consists of a boom stick and the bucket for digging purpose, and the hydraulic system which is present inside the driver cabin. So this is the overall construction part of the vehicle, where we can divide this particular vehicle into three parts. First is the load, the front loader unit, and the back loader unit, and the driver cabin. So with the help of this, in front and loader, we can carry the loosened materials from one place to another, and with the help of rear backhoe, we can dig the hole as per our requirement with the help of the hydraulic system. So hydraulic system, we know that consists of the reservoir, the hydraulic pump, and the control inside the driver cabin. So with the help of the control inside the driver cabin, the driver can operate as per his requirement. So with this input, this hydraulic cylinders will actuate, and with the help of with help of that actuation, the bucket and the boom is moved according to the requirement of the driver. So advantages it includes it is a multi-functioning machine where the digging, loading, and lifting is done in a single vehicle. It is compact size, high versatility, and easy transportation on road since it is a wheeled vehicle. So it can be transport without any support of other vehicle, and simple operation and maintenance. So there is disadvantages includes lower digging depth when we compare to the conventional trenching machine, and limited load capacity. The operation is slow when you compare to the trencher machines, and not suitable for very heavy mining works, and also there is a stability issues. So the application it involves the it can be used to create for in trenching and excavation process, in construction sites, road maintenance, the urban infrastructure projects, and the agriculture lands, and also can be used in demolition of buildings and other old structures and cleaning up. So this is the mind map overall of the things that you have seen so far. The in context, need for backhoe loader, the concept development, introduction and function, components, advantages and disadvantages, and applications. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.